Now you have seen order of elementary reaction, that is whatever I have given examples for zero, first, second, third order reaction, all are elementary reaction, and you have seen their order and rate law, how rate will increases and all those things. See now, order of complex reaction. Complex reaction is multi-step reaction. How to find order of this multi-step reaction or complex reaction? Order is applicable to complex reaction. Let's see how through an example. You know that 2H2O2 in alkaline medium gives you 2H2O and O2, and you know that this is complex reaction. It will take place in two steps. In step 1, one molecule of H2O2 will combine with one molecule of I minus ion to give you one molecule of H2O and one molecule of intermediate compound. See, this is intermediate compound. In second step, this intermediate, one molecule of this intermediate compound will combine with again one more molecule of H2O2 to give you H2O2 plus I minus and O2. See, in this first step is slowest step. This this step takes some time, because in this step intermediate compound, that is I minus ion, is forming. To form this intermediate compound, reaction will take some time, so it is slowest step. In every complex reaction, usually the step in which intermediate compound is forming will be slowest step. Now, in complex reaction, rate will applicable to slowest step. See, I have written rate law for this step, that is rate equal to K into concentration of the reactant H2O2 into concentration of reactant I minus ion. So order of this rate law is 2. This rate law and order what you have obtained from the slowest step of the complex reaction is applicable to whole complex reaction. So only slowest step of the complex reaction is called rate determining step. Slowest step of the complex reaction is called rate determining step, because rate is applicable to slowest step of the complex reaction, and from that rate law you can find order of the reaction. Why rate is applicable to slowest step? Take an example. In relay there will be 4 members. One member this side, on one side there will be 2 members, and on other side there will be 2 more members. What in relay? This person has some stick, he will run and give to him, and he will again run and give to him, and he will then this person will again run and give to him, and he will run and finally reach this destination. This is relay game. In this game, probability of winning of the game will depends upon the person who runs slow. The person who runs very slowly, he will definitely they will lose the match. If he run a little bit fast, then they will win. What I am trying to tell is, suppose this person is this last person is running very slow, but all these members are runs fast only. They will run fast and give to him, finally to him. Whole match now depends upon this person only. If he runs little bit fast, they will win. If he can't run, then they can't win the match. So only in multi-step reaction, rate will depends upon the slowest step. If the slowest step rate is high, rate will be high. If the slowest step rate is slow, rate of the whole complex reaction will be slow. That's why for complex reaction, slowest step is the rate determining step. Okay, thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Like the video, share the video, and spread worldwide to help others.